Hello everyone, good morning. And I wanted to tell you that we are bringing our videos for teacher aptitude and attitude every day on in English language and Hindi language also, and both contents are different. So if you are new to our channel, subscribe if you are here for the same purpose. And today's topic is awareness. सो अवेयरनेस इज़ जागरूकता. तो आजकल जो डेली चेंजेस हो रहे हैं, वर्ल्ड इज़ रनिंग टू फास्ट दैट देर आर साइंटिफिक चेंजेस, मोरल चेंजेस, इकोनॉमिक, पॉलिटिकल, देर आर huge scale of changes, and a teacher must compromise and understand, learn through this all changes, because if a teacher lacks in something, the student will automatically lack. So why awareness is needed, this is the intro of this. So we'll move on forward. Only a well-aware teacher can successfully compete this world of rapid changes and do something favorable towards his students. An incomplete teacher, not only devoid of current happiness in the world, but incapable to prepare the children for the challenges they have to face in future. Therefore, the teacher is popularly called the national and social sentry, as he fulfills this Herculean task by discharging his duties in social context. It opens the new vistas of information to the young generation and ready to keep them aware with all the development at world horizon. It makes them more studious, attentive, adventurous, and explorative in nature. So we'll go for questions now. We'll be taking questions. So your awareness about these questions will be checked now. If an illiterate will get the word knowledge, it is possible to eradicate illiteracy from the country. What do you think in this reference? A. To educate whole India is not a simple task. B. It is essential to control the population before the literacy campaign. If all the people contribute, it is possible to liquidate illiteracy. Or it is favorable politically to remain the population ignorant and illiterate. So the answer would be obviously C, because this is morally and you are instinctively also correct. 2. What suggestion you will be put forth if you are nominated in the district level literacy committee? A. Give more facilities to the literacy workers. Refuse your nomination for membership. I will join it but not do any work, and suggest to enhance it as a mass movement. The answer would be D. Suggest to enhance it as a mass movement. Sometimes you feel that society is more polluted. Day by day, in these conditions, how would you like to safeguard the school premises from this polluted environment? A. Convert the schools into a residential institution. B. Attempt to find out the reasons which are influencing school environment. C. To separate or isolate the school's student from its bad effect. D. You will think that it is not possible to isolate one from its effects. So the answer would be C. We can isolate school's student from this bad effect of this premise. Okay. 4. Some people have the idea that the teacher can bring awareness in society. If you are also one among them, what are its reasons? A. It is baseless argument. B. The teacher prepares the good citizens of the future. C. Teachers is more conscious individual and think to give best citizen to the world. D. The teacher is a social reformer. So the answer would be B. Why good citizen and not the best citizen? Because the extreme is always wrong. Extreme is not possible. This is why we are choosing the good citizen. 5. Today, the mass media has engulfed our houses and entertaining young generation in different manners. What is your favorable opinion in this situation? We have to tell the favorable opinion in this mass media. So, A. It increases the children's general knowledge. B. It wastes students' time. It acquaints them with their larger society. D. It gives good entertainment to the children. So answer would be A. Children's GK is increased. Sixth question. What will you do in case of explosion of communal riots in your city? A. You will communicate the friendly message from door to door campaign. B. You will contribute as add to fuel as to add to fuel to fire. C. You will isolate yourself and remain neutral. You will organize a peace committee and deliver a speech to stop it. So answer would be A friendly message from door to door campaign. So this question was in the previous video in Hindi content also. So they are asking for कम्युनल राइट्स, दैट इज सांप्रदायिक दंगे अगर आपके शहर में हो जाएं तो एक अध्यापक की, एक टीचर की क्या भूमिका होनी चाहिए. सो यू विल कम्युनिकेट फ्रेंडली मैसेज. ऑब्वियसली आप अपने मैत्रीपूर्ण संदेश को देंगे घर घर जाकर, क्योंकि आप एक अध्यापक हैं और आप घर हाथ पर हाथ धरे नहीं बैठे रह सकते. और टू ऐड फ्यूल टू फायर, ये तो आग में घी डालना किसी अध्यापक की रुचि का विषय बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. हाउ वुड यू लाइक टू एलिमिनेट सोशल इविल्स एज अ टीचर? आप ये सामाजिक बुराइयों को हटाने के लिए एक अध्यापक के रूप में क्या करेंगे? ए. बाय टेकिंग प्लेज for social reforms, by making efforts through poster campaign against them, not to think about them at all and remain neutral. And D. by creating massive awareness against them. Answer would be D. by creating massive awareness against them. तो आपको ऐसा भी लग सकता है कि A और B भी तो सही हो सकते हैं, but he is a teacher, he is not a social reformer, he is not from an NGO. Alright, he can organize a poster making competition for students to develop the awareness among them, but he will create a massive awareness against these social evils through his students. This is the work a teacher can do. Eighth, the teacher have the single aim to inculcate the feelings of national integration among their students. When the regular transfer of teachers in various parts of India can be implemented, how much the feelings of national integration will impoverish in them? A. Transfer of services from one part to another part of nation has no direct bearing on the feelings of national integration. Transfer can provide the opportunity to visit different places of a nation. Transfer imbibes the spirit of various cultures in India in them, and transfer is a futile effort as they take it as a punishment. So answer would be C. It imbibes the spirit of various cultures in India. Your ninth question. Your opinion about the cinema is it wastes time of the student. B. Only worthwhile pictures should be seen by the students. C. It is necessary to enjoy cinema for entertainment. It is not advisable to waste money on cinema. Answer would be B. Only worthwhile pictures, as 3 Idiots is shown in China, South Korea, other Eastern countries and Western countries for educational purpose. 10th, what efforts would you like to carry out in order to bring the children in school where they have never shown their interest in them? A. You will refer to government to promulgate an order to the parents to send the words forcefully in schools. B. You will launch door-to-door campaign to persuade the parents and their children. C. You will not take any favorable interest. D. You will give them incentive of scholarship. Answer would be B. A door-to-door campaign. How would you persuade the parents in remotest places who are not interested to send their girls to the schools? A. You will appreciate these parents who have dared to send their girls in school. You will remain isolated. You will propagate the feelings of equality among boys and girls. You will write to local administration to take the favorable measures in order to force them for the same. Answer would be C. You will propagate the feelings of equality among boys and girls. 12. What will you do in case of spreading of an epidemic in the region where you serve, like today in times of corona? So A, you will go on a long leave. B, you will do favorable attempts to eradicate it. C, you will intimate the local health workers. D, you will treat them as untouchable and pass your life in isolation. Answer should be C, you will intimate the local health workers. In today's era also you should work for the same purpose. 13. What will you do to curb the social evil of child marriage in your own society? आप सामाजिक बुराई, ये बाल विवाह जैसी सामाजिक बुराई के लिए क्या करेंगे? A, you will tell them the harmful consequences of the evil. B, you will criticize them for their act. You will appreciate them or inform the high officials. Answer should be A, you will tell them the harmful consequences of the evil even before the child marriage is done. 14. What suggestions you would like to render to eliminate the problems of terrorism in your state? A, implementing military rule in India. B, let it be remain as usual because it is the field of politicians. C, you will suggest some solid option for its elimination. D, you will think it is good. Our country's population has been reduced to a great extent. Answer should be C, you will suggest some solid options for its elimination. What do you desire to inculcate healthy moral values among your students in the present time of alienation? A, improve the environment in their home. B, improvement in school's environment. C, punish the wrong deeds of the students. D, give awards to the students of sound moral character. सो यहाँ पे पूछा क्या गया है, हेल्दी मोरल वैल्यूज़ को कैसे इनकलकेट करेंगे आप स्टूडेंट्स में आज के टाइम में जब सब अपने अलग अलग एलियनेशन टाइप के रहते हैं. आंसर शुड बी ए, आपको उनके घर का एनवायरनमेंट, इम्प्रूव द एनवायरनमेंट इन देयर होम्स सो दे कैन अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट मोरल वैल्यूज़ आर. सो एक साइकिल पूरा हो चुका है इन चैप्टर्स का. अब हम अगले वीडियो के अंदर टीचर इंटरेस्ट टेस्ट के 19th क्वेश्चन से स्टार्ट करेंगे. 18th क्वेश्चन हमने फर्स्ट वीडियो में कवर कर लिए थे. सो आप अगला वीडियो देखें इस साइकिल कंप्लीट करने के लिए. और आपको वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो लाइक कीजिए ताकि हमारा मोटिवेशन बना रहे, और शेयर करें, अपने फ्रेंड्स को भी बताएं और सब्सक्राइब करें हमारे चैनल को. धन्यवाद.